Hello learners. Today we learn how to create hyperlink in any text. So let's start it. Now first of all write a tag dog type html html. Second line, now we write html tag, the main element in tag. We use head tag, head tag to make a title of it. Make a title of it. Title element. Okay, title of it. Title. What do we write? Now we title it hyperlink experiment. Now use body tag. Now use body tag, body tag, body. We use fee element to make a paraphrase. Now we write, we go to my Google account. Now how can we use hyperlink? For hyperlink we use a element. So both sides use element A. And our closing tag also use element. To make a hyperlink, use a attribute in element. So use attribute name href equal use quotations. No address of Google https slash now write www.google.com. Now you can easily hyperlink your any text. Now see in web page. Now our Google is hyperlinked. We make another attribute target. If we use target attribute, our new tab or tab opening present tab. To open in new tab use blank. Now tab opening new tab, use another paraphrase fee element. Right, we go in Facebook. Now we use a attribute here. Attribute anchor. We use starting tag here. A element. We use starting tag here. A element. A element. Now we use here also href element. Href element equal use quotation https://www dot facebook.com. And if you want to open it, present tab, use target attribute equal use quotation and write self write self now you tab will start in self use present tab. Now you can easily use it in your system writing and hyperlink in any text. I think you learn well. For new videos, please subscribe my channel and goodbye, best wishes.